This topic has many sides to it. Is a myth that the Earth is just going through natural phases, or is a worldwide man-made problem that we have created since we started using fossils? Scientists do agree that the Earth is getting warmer on its own, but is getting hotter than it's ever been in history of existence.
Industrialization, deforestation, and population have greatly increased atmospheric concentrations of water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitric oxide, all greenhouse gases that help trap heat near the Earth's surface.
Glaciers and mountain snows are rapidly melting. For example, Montana's Glacier National Park now only has 27 glaciers versus the 150 it had in 1910.
Also, droughts have been more frequent throughout Texas and hotter parts of the world.
We are having extreme weather disasters occurring, setting records in the past 10 years faster than we ever have before.
For example, the polar bears have had more trouble finding solid ice to live on because most of the ice has melted, so that the weight of the polar bear would collapse and drown the majestic creature.
In Antarctica, they have lost over half of their glaciers due to recent weather changes.
Of carbon dioxide naturally going into the system in the summertime and coming out in the winter, much larger than the 3%. I agree with that. However, it's in balance. The amounts are the same. So when you add the 3%, it's 3% this year, and next year, and next year, and next year. So and it accumulates. So if all of a sudden I go to the bathtub and I make the 1 gallon into 1.2 gallons, and I don't change the drain size in the bottom, the water in the bathtub is going to rise. That is completely well established. It's been established for a long time, and if you don't accept that, you really need to study science.
So what we need to do is start making and testing different ideas to make out factories or cars more healthy for the environment, unless we are going to create a problem that we will not be able to fix.
Dude, there's only 1% running on eco-friendly power like electricity or sun energy.
All of these things that we are using can be more green or more eco-friendly, but it's going to cost a lot more than we are willing to invest.
If we don't start doing something about this drastic change, there will be 1 minute, the first no ice summer in the Arctic by 2040. A lot of people think that global warming does not exist. This is because the temperature rises before CO2 rises. So in other words, global warming is not due to carbon dioxide produced from humans.